In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform text into an email link in a Word document. It's an incredibly useful skill to have, especially when you're looking to share your contact information in a professional document or invite readers to reach out with just one simple click. To begin, you'll want to select the text you wish to turn into an email hyperlink. This might be a word, a phrase, or perhaps your own name, anything that you want people to click on. This step is crucial as it defines the clickable portion of your document. Make sure it stands out and clearly indicates to the reader that it's related to email. For example, email me or contact us. Once you've highlighted your chosen text, you'll need to perform a quick keyboard shortcut. If you're using a Windows computer, press Ctrl and K simultaneously. For Mac users, it's Command and K. Alternatively, you can achieve the same result by right-clicking on the selected text, choosing the link option, followed by Insert Hyperlink. This opens up the Hyperlink dialog box, where you can make further specifications to ensure your email link functions perfectly. Now, within the dialog box, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to select Email Address. This option specializes in creating links that open the visitor's email client, making it seamless for them to draft a message to the specified address. In the email address field, you'll enter the email address you want to link to. It's important that this is accurate since it will be the address where emails will be sent when someone clicks the link. An interesting feature here is that Word automatically prefixes your address with mail to, which is a standard required to open an email client directly from a link. You don't need to manually add this part. Following this, you'll see the option labeled Text to Display. Here, you should verify that the text matches what you initially selected. This is what will remain visible on your document. If you decide you want to change what's visible, this is your opportunity to modify it without affecting the link itself. Finally, to apply all your changes and create your functional email link, click OK. You should see your text now appears as a hyperlink, usually colored and underlined to signal its new function. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully created an email hyperlink in your document. The next time someone clicks this link, they'll be instantly directed to their email client, ready to send a message to the email address you specified. This not only adds a layer of professionalism to your document, but also facilitates communication. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.